Hello my sweet pumpkins, today we're going to DIY angel wings. And here's what we need: toilet paper, a cardboard pizza box, scissors, and a glue gun. First, we draw the shape of our angel wings on the pizza box, then carefully cut it out. You can use scissors or a craft knife, whatever works for you, just be careful with your fingers. Once one side is done, we trace and cut out the second wing. So now we have a full pair of angel wings ready to decorate. Now we're going to cover the cardboard with toilet paper to give the wings a soft base. Let's make the feathers. Cut out feather shapes and then add little cuts along the edges to give them texture. Start gluing them onto the base layer by layer, following the steps in the video. The more layers, the fluffier your wings will look. Repeat the same steps for the other wing. Now it's time to make them wearable. In the center part, where both wings connect, attach on 2 ribbon loops. Once it's done, just slide your arms through the loops like backpack strap. And there you go, your DIY angel wings are done. Let me know if you try this out, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.
What the dog doing?